The next herbal syrup we're going to make is one that increases sexual desire and boosts energy. Both men and women can use it. The herbs we've chosen for this syrup include 3 grams of rose petals, 3 grams of ginseng, 3 grams of nettle, 3 grams of clove, and 3 grams of nutmeg. We grind all these herbs into powder using a grinder. We mix them together, and with this final powder, we make 250 milliliters of herbal tea. And just like the 4, we mix it with 150 grams of honey to make our syrup. You should use this syrup twice a day, after breakfast and after lunch, 2 spoons each time. The effects that herbal syrups have on the body usually become noticeable after 2 or 3 weeks. The usual recommendation is to use the syrup for 3 weeks. Then, take a 1-week break, and after that, start the next 3-week course. The peak effect usually shows up in the 2nd month, so don't expect to see the main effect after just 1 or 2 days of use. Gradually and over time, as you use it, you'll notice its positive effects, and you'll see just how effective these syrups we're talking about can be.